back to default settings. 2026, back to default settings. Salmonani, Dumelanga, Abshini. I'm back again, back with another video. Yeah. So it's ended. Orlando Pirates 0, Sekhukhune United 0. Sekhukhune bafethu asishanga this season. We failed to beat Sekhukhune over 2 legs of the league. Bashayile ekhaya bafethu bashaye 1-0. They've held us to a 0-0 draw. 0-0 draw. Utter domination from start to beginning. The lineup, I was surprised ukubona uSibelebele bafethu. Lo muntu lo uphuma ku long term injury. Sambona bathu ushawa ini injury. He's coming back from a knee injury. Lo muntu lo long term injury. He's back in the lineup. I was like, okay, no Mbogazi, sesiyazi. We are live after Mbogazi. In the middle of the park, Makaula. Another one. I was surprised with uqalile naye. Benching Mfukeng, for me, I didn't understand it. Should have started Mfukeng kule game le. I'm sorry. Sibelebele shouldn't have started the game le Sibelebele. Or if you wanted to, could have played Sibelebele as a right back or played Deon van Rooyen. Now, who's been absolutely terrible. Deon van Rooyen this season has been terrible of it. I've been preaching all out telling it, yeah, best right back in the country. No, he's not Buffett. Van Rooyen has been playing utter ball, Buffett. He's not himself. Let me just say that he's not himself. The back line, no problem. Undaba had left back on lock. Swisi, Siema, no problem, no issues. Umbatha, Makaula. Another one. Why take off Makaula? Why take off Umbatha? Should have taken off Makaula. Another one. Long-term injury. He's playing in 90 minutes. Leave Umbatha in. Keep Makaula. I understand you wanted to protect the back four, but come on. Sekhukhune were playing for it all. They were playing on the counter. They were not a danger. Long balls, counter-attack, transition football. That's what they wanted to do. But Sekhukhune were nowhere to be seen. Kateba ghost. Excuse the pun. Kateba ghost. Then the subs happened. Mfukeng came on, changed the game, the whole game. He changed the game. Made opportunities. We couldn't take them. Muremi, poor. Makgopa, Ngwanesu, poor. Aye, bafethu. Tito, hooked again. It's not working out. Tito, ne? Ufuna ukufana njengami. Ufuna ukufana Tito. Ufuna ukufana njengami. Ngeke ufane njengami. Uthi angidlali disk mina. Angidlali disk, wena udlala disk. Usafuna ushalele hairstyle. No. Relax. Ukuzenza i-star player, ukuzenza something you're not. Be who you are. Don't try to be something else, Tito. Keep a little threats lelo. Go back to the Tito of last season. That's the Tito I want to see. Lo ngimbonayo manje. Lo threats, ujaman. Yini ziyacha Tito. Come on. The subs. Police, poor. Could have won it in the end. Could have won a penalty. I don't know why referee angasiphi penalty. Mdluli. Same name. We share the same name. The referee share the same name no referee. Mdluli. Umdluli udlisile. That was a stonewall penalty from Police. Police was fouled by a goalkeeper. Stonewall pen. I don't know why he waved play on. I do not know why, but we should have gotten a penalty bafethu. Goalkeeper wabo, man of the match. I know. He kept everything out lo muntu loya. Ngathi bokufakwe umuthi wamampela ke lapha wasePulukwane. Ngathi kulandwe umuthi wasePulukwane bafethu. Siyazi ukuthi iPirates ihlezi izana nomuthi wayo, but Sekhukhune on the day bale bayabona umuntu strong bafethu. Ayikho into eyenzakale lapha, ayikho into kanje. How come the keeper can save everything? Lo muntu save everything. I don't know how many shots on target we had, but he saved everything. Close range shot from Usibisi. The police chance in the last minute. Sibilibili. The chance I got Sibilibili. I'm disappointed, Bafetu. Nil, nil. Ay, Bafetu. Back to second place. Back where we started. Back in second place. Level on points in Sundowns. We could have been 2 points ahead with the win, but Sundowns we drew. Yeah, it's gonna be tough of it. Sundowns, do not sleep on the Sundowns. They've made signings an intent. Mbonile nani. So yeah, we have to go back to the drawing board. We have to go back to the drawing board because what I witnessed today was not what I saw in the back end of it 2025. What I saw today was utter rubbish. People were slow. I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm a subs, cool, but the lineup, it didn't make sense to me. It didn't make sense for me Carlos Bilebele and let him play 90 minutes. Aphuma long term injury. Didn't make sense for me Kaluma Kaula and play him in 90 minutes. Come on, I want to lava Beko fresh, man. The squad is enough. We could have won this game, but Kukune held their own. They are happy with the toys, Kukune. Let's be honest. They are happy. I'm not happy. Pirates are not happy. The supporters are not happy. Yeah, it's gonna be a tough one to take, but we'll see. We'll see. Perfect. Yeah, I'm out. Disappointing draw. We have to wake up, Orlando Pirates. I'm out. Have a nice weekend, Buffett.